Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September the 7th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday out there so far. Everybody had a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics, and this is Invest 91L. As you can see here, I did not have the satellite imagery going, but as you can see, this is bound in the Bay of Campeche. Getting well defined, organized. The latest 2 p.m. advisory had this system at a 70% chance of development over the next 7 days and also 50% over the next 48 hours. But I would not be surprised to see that go up in the next advisory at the 8 p.m. advisory. Alright, let's move on to the computer models. This is from the National Hurricane Center model. Get close to kind of parallel the coast of Texas and kind of make landfall right at the Texas-Louisiana border, and then it kind of just meanders on up into the portions of Kentucky and Tennessee regions later on down the road. So we'll continue to monitor that. Also, let's take a look at the intensity guidance of the system. Right now it has about 20 knot winds. They go at 25 miles per hour. Some of the model takes it into a tropical storm. I think this will become Tropical Storm Francine, as everybody else do too. So I'm believing this will become Francine in the Gulf of Mexico. So get ready, folks. Anybody on the Gulf Coast, this system will get organized, and it looks to become a tropical storm. Would not be surprised it reach maybe a hurricane status as well. So we'll continue to monitor that also. Let's take a look at the tropical weather page, and this was from 2 p.m. this afternoon. As you can see, this was at 2 o'clock. There's that system here I showed you. 91L has a 50% over the next 2 days. Then it would be 70% over here in the red. This system here has a 0% chance of development right now, but then it has a 40% chance of development in the next 7 days. Also, this system here has a 10% chance of development as well in the next, well, that was, excuse me, this is 10%, it's 10%, excuse me, they forgot to put the number there, 10% here, and then this in here is 0 and 20. Excuse me, sorry about that, got a little mixed up there, but that is the numbers right now. So we got 1, 2, and 3 systems to watch. Alright, let's take a look at the current watches. Alright, you can see we're pretty quiet across much of the United States. Got a few pockets of frost advisories that were reported in Michigan and also West Virginia. And also got a flood watch down here in the Panhandle, Florida. Special marine warning off the coast of Florida as well. We got a few pockets of air quality alerts in portions of Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, and Oregon states. Sets of heat warnings also in effect here in Southern California with heat advisories there also. Red flag warning for areas of Nevada, also Oregon, Washington State. Heat advisory for northern portion of Idaho and portion of Washington State. And some special weather statements there in Montana and areas of Oregon State. Alright, we got some small craft advisory. Gale warning from Maine to the North Carolina Outer Banks. Then again from Louisiana down into Texas where that little tropical system is. Then again from portions of Southern California, and then again across Oregon State. Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. Small craft advisory around the coastal area of Alaska. Alright, let's take a look at the Columbia, South Carolina radar. This is currently, we have a few scattered showers ahead of a cold front dropping to the south and east, stretching from near Cheraw to Lancaster to just northeast of Camden, toward Columbia to Newberry to Greenwood, a little bit in the upstate from Greenville, Spartanburg, back down the I-85 corridor, back over portions of Georgia as well. All of these activities will continue to push on to the south and east. Would not be surprised to see a few more isolated scattered showers and storms as it continues to roll through the remainder of the evening hours until that front pushes on offshore. Alright, here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. We do not have any severe weather, so that's good news. Just general thunderstorm for today, again on day 2, and then again on day 3. And you can pick out your locations if you want to pause the video are located. 4 through 8, nothing is expected, so we're good on that. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Also like these videos, share these videos, and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Take care and have a wonderful Saturday evening, folks. Take care.